Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 users. The BandRain Silicone Sport Band, designed for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic 46mm as well as the 44mm and 40mm models. If you're someone who spends a lot of time working out, running, or just wearing your smartwatch all day, comfort and durability in a watch band are essential. The BandRain Silicone Sport Band is crafted from high-quality, waterproof silicone that's soft to the touch and feels natural against your skin. Whether you're at the office, hitting the gym, or sleeping, it moves smoothly with your wrist and doesn't cause any irritation, even during extended wear. One of the standout features of this band is its dual-row ventilation holes. These perforations are inspired by marine design, allowing for superior airflow that keeps your wrist cool and dry. Traditional bands can trap sweat and heat, especially during intense activities. But the BandRain band significantly reduces that discomfort, making it ideal for prolonged use. Installation is also a breeze. With the one-click system, swapping your band is fast and completely tool-free. You can effortlessly change your style or replace the band depending on your activity, whether it's casual wear or high-intensity sports. Plus, the twin-lock buckle ensures your watch stays secure, preventing it from loosening or falling off during outdoor adventures like trail running, cycling, kayaking, or even swimming and snowboarding. This band is designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes, comfortably accommodating wrists from 6.5 inches to 8.7 inches, making it suitable for both men and women. It's a versatile accessory for anyone who wants a reliable, durable, and stylish option for their Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. With its seamless, gapless design, the BandRain Silicone Sport Band not only provides comfort and breathability but also maintains a sleek and polished look on your wrist. The material is easy to clean and withstands exposure to water and sweat, making it perfect for daily wear or outdoor sports activities. In terms of design, the band combines practicality with a modern aesthetic. It's available in multiple colors, giving you the flexibility to match it with your outfit or your watch face. Whether you're going for a sporty look or a more casual vibe, this band adapts effortlessly to your style. In summary, the BandRain Silicone Sport Band is a well-crafted, versatile accessory for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series. It provides superior comfort, excellent breathability, secure fit, and effortless installation. If you're looking to enhance your smartwatch experience and ensure your watch stays comfortable and secure all day long, this silicone band is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest product reviews.